What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am in my home store, my store that I've been coming to the longest. Been coming to this store for about 16 years, so I feel most at home here in this Walmart. I love it so much. It may not be the neatest or the best, but the people that work here are so amazing and so sweet. So if you guys have a favorite cashier in one of your stores, just thank them for being here. Ask how their day is. They're really putting their life on the line to be here, to provide for their own families and to help us provide for ours. So anyways, you guys, here we are on the clearance aisle. Right away, I'm seeing 25-cent serving trays. Look at these, 25 cents. We have little 4-packs of plates and bowls, actually just bowls, for 25 cents. Serving bowls, 25 cents. You guys see that? 4 packs of cups, 25 cents. 25 cents. Even more down here for 25 cents. We also have $1 tablecloths. They're 70 inches in diameter. $1, just $1. And then the little Better Homes ice buckets are $3. And the beautiful glass dispensers are $5. $5. They were normally $15.96. That is a really nice price for Better Homes. And then down here we have a bunch of $1.50 stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. A $10 homemade ice cream machine. $10? This is half price. $10 is not bad. I think you just have to get the ice and you have to get the salt. $10 is not bad at all. And then we have $1.50 trays. These are the chip and dip trays. And all the different colors. And the bowls, 50 cents. And those are $1.50. Up here we have the melamine shell for $5. But you guys, please do me a favor and don't forget to scan with the Walmart app. I scanned some things with the scanner and it was one price. I scanned with the Walmart app and I plugged in my store location and it was so much lower. For example, these right here. And yeah, you guys, I straightened these up for you. These are marked $7, but they're $3.50 if you scan them with the Walmart app. If you scan them with the store scanner, it's gonna ring up as $7, but these were originally $12.88. So it really makes a difference if you scan with the Walmart app, and an associate will honor that price. Look at these. These would be amazing gifts. We have the aromatherapy collections and garden mint. We have wildflower. We have another garden mint down here and crystal cool. We have a body butter kit in lemon burst. Very vanilla bath bombs with a bath bomb mold. Velvet rose body butter. We have a peppermint blush face masks set. A violet breeze soap bar set. Mint bliss, that's also a soap bar. Sweet honey, that's also a soap bar. Violet rose, also a soap bar. So we have violet rose and violet breeze. You guys, these are really nice. They're super nice. And then look at all the faux plants we have. Those are marked $3.50. We have olives, lemons, lavender for $3.50 in a galvanized little container. And then the cactus. And then we have some ferns in the terracotta. It's marked $7, but please scan it. It's probably $3.50 as well. The majority of them are $3.50 on the app. And then we have some picks over here. These are marked $2. We have some foam, some felt fabric, $3, was $4.88, also in the yellow. the expensive foil quill set that was originally $64. I think those were like $40 in my other store. $3.50 for some beads. Just remember to use the Walmart app. If it's something you're like, I don't know if I want to get that, use the Walmart app, scan it, and see what it rings up as. You might change your mind, you know? That low price might make you change your mind. A drill, no battery. We have some flag football vests for $5, 2 in a pack. A can cooler for $3.37. I think some hunting things. And then we have some planners through 2020. Those are marked down to $4, $1.50. Okay, now I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna show you guys some other things. Now we have a whole lot of toys and kids items and kids bedding over here. We have Fortnite Biddy boomers, wireless speakers. The $1 Tic Tac toys are still here. They were originally $3.88. We just have so much. The Poopsie surprises were $9.94. They're marked 7. The National Geographic Barbies are 9. Please scan them. They were even lower in my other store. The Twist game packs are 7. They were $12.97. We have Cars, Cruz Ramirez, and Clutch Aid, and Dale Ruffalo. These are all on clearance. The Lucky Fortune little cookies with the bracelets are 7. Hobby Kids Adventures are 5. I mean, this is an excellent time to shop for Christmas. This was $10.88. Now it's just $2. Like, I would much rather pay $2 than $10.88. These are $3, down from $4.93. The Treasure X. We have a Peppa Pig Magical Parade for $21. The little gummy frog squishies are $1.50. Fisher Price.
1, 2, 3, sing with me.
$5, down from $9.84. Surprisimals are $2.50. Imagine Next Reef Diver, $3.50, down from $5.88. Little Peppa Pig, super cute surprise campers, $1.50, down from $2.88. These are all $2, $5. If it seems a little high, definitely scan it. Just scan everything, you guys. Because if it's lower than marked, they will honor it. Unless they have a sign up saying that they won't honor it. They should honor it. $3.50 for the little Frozen light up melody microphones. The My Life Ryan for $21, down from $34.97. The Ryan Slime for $11. Ryan's Fire Truck for $5. Color and Style Purse Activity for $7. $7 for this Play-Doh set, down from $14.96. Frozen dress-up clothes. This vacuum is down from $2.49. My Life stuff for $17, down from $29.97. Extreme Power Dozer, down from $54.88. It's $35. Kitty Zoom smartwatches are $59 and $29. $29 down from $49, $44 for flywheels for $13.85. $5 slime kit. $2.40 kinetic sand by Monster Jam. This is down from $9.97. Monster dirt with zombie. $3 bobble bottoms down from $4.97. We have some $1 glitzy slime by Compound Kings. Even more slime. Towels for $7.50. A 2-pack for $5.50. Trying to cram it all in, you guys. The decorative pillow and throw for $5. I scanned these and these are actually $25 in my store. I know some people have been finding these for $5. So please keep scanning with the Walmart app. These will continue to be marked down as long as your store has them in stock. We also have some Better Homes over here. $19.97 was the original price. Now they're $9. Some Shams down from $6.97, which is $4.50 now. Some Ryan's plushies for $7. Some $5 sports themed kids pillows. An outdoor blanket for $5.50. Those were originally $9.97. More Better Homes items at about 50% off. And we have some Better Homes comforter sets in full/queen. And we have full/queen up here for $55. This one was $59. And this one was $40. It's just down $5. This one's down 96 cents. So yeah, you guys, that is what's on my clearance aisle. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything. My store is just so loaded with makeup clearance. If you guys were along on my live stream, then you guys probably saw this display of makeup. Please use the Walmart app because a lot of these items haven't been marked down in 6 months. So there's a good chance that they could be lower than marked. We just have a whole lot here. And even on the other side, we have tons of makeup. So you guys wander into your makeup section and just look around. Some of it may be marked, some of it may not be marked, but I have so much stuff over here in the clearance section. Even nail polishes, tons of NYX makeup, just tons of stuff, you guys. Skincare, Olay, so much. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me here in Walmart. I really have to keep my eye on the time because everything in this town pretty much closes at 8:30 and 9 o'clock tonight. So I really have to keep it moving. But hey, you guys, thank you so much for joining me here in Walmart. If you guys want to see more Walmart videos, let me know down in the comments what you would like to see next time I come in. Maybe you just want to see more clearance. Please let me know what you want to see next. I'm out of here and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.